It's Rene here from Rev Motoring. We are at the Kia Sportage launch on this fantastic, a bit wet but kind of fantastic evening. And I'm here with Nat, who happens to be the Kia ambassador. So Nat, thank you so much for joining us here on Rev. So Nat, I believe you had a bit of an experience with the Kia Sportage, the old and the new.
Yes,
so
that's right.
Kind of give us your thoughts about the old car, the old version basically, and the new model that we have right here.
Okay, well, I think, you know, the handling has been improved a lot, and of course the thing that will first strike you, of course, is the design.
Okay.
I think the new one has been greatly refreshed. If you look at the front, the tiger nose also is now vertical, so it's a bit more imposing. But at the same time, the headlights and the tiger nose has been kind of separated for the first time. So this creates a more fresh look. And if you want to look at the interior,
Yeah, okay, let's just follow Nat.
and if you come along to the interior of the car, yeah, okay. I think what
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, Nat's trying to show you the interior
I think
of the car.
what you will notice is that it is a lot more refined in terms of like the materials used. Also, the finishing is really more refined and luxurious. And also the older model was more like vertical, but this one is more horizontal aligned, so it creates a more wider and spacious kind of feel. And I think in terms of the wheelbase also, it's a little bit longer and a bit wider as well. So it can, in terms of comfort-wise, it's a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, so I think overall as an SUV, it kind of caters for the whole large market of people who are actually looking to buy
Exactly.
something in that range.
Like prior to this, you know, historically, people used to go for like the sedans and stuff.
Right, yeah.
But now, whether it's families or whether it's like, you know, the young aspirational and all that, the trend really is moving towards SUVs because SUVs are just so practical in Singapore.
Right, and we actually did some research on our website as well.
Yep.
And in Singapore mentality, basically, it's all about having more bang for your buck.
Yes.
So everybody's going for a bigger car with more space, luxury. They want everything down. And I think the really good thing about Kia is the price factor. They priced it in such a way that it's really affordable for the average Joe, but at the same time giving you all that kind of comfort and luxury.
Yeah, there's
for
a
that
lot of
kind price.
additional bells.
Yeah, exactly,
and
correct,
whistles,
yeah.
and it's really value for money, if you ask me.
Okay, once again, Nat, thank you so much for joining us and giving us your thoughts on the brand new Kia Sportage right here at the Kia Sportage launch. Bye, man. Thanks.